Hello, my name is Luis Estrada and I am a software developer. In this video, I'll show you how to add effects to pictures. I am using Adobe Photoshop CS2. Photoshop is a registered trademark of Adobe, a company to which I have no affiliation. An easy way to add effects to pictures is through the use of filters. Photoshop CS2 has a wide variety of them, and they are completely configurable. Select the Filter tab. Then you have a list of filters grouped by categories. You have about 13 categories, and each category has up to 15 filters, so you have a lot of options. Also, you can download or purchase new filters from other developers. If you take a look at the website at photoshopfilters.com, you get a lot of information on filters, many which you can download for free. This site claims that currently there are up to 4,000 different filters for Photoshop. Let's go back and take a look into some of the filters already included. Select any of the filters from the menu and you will be presented with the Filter Preview window. In the left column, you get a preview of the image with the current filter applied. In the middle column, you see a list of all filters by category. If you select on any, the filter is applied to the picture. You can also browse between the categories for other filters. For every filter you select, you get customization options in the right column. These options are different for each filter. When you move these controllers, you see the changes to pictures in real time. At the top of the column, there is a list holding all available filters. You can add 2 or more filters at the same time. Just press the New Effect Layer button at the bottom of the column. A new layer is created on top of the current one. You can drag and drop to adjust the order of the layers. If you press on the eye, you hide that filter. Whenever you press on any layer, you can change the filter or customize it. To delete any layer effect, just press on the Garbage Bin button. When you are done adding filters to your image, just press OK. I'm Luis Estrada, and I've just shown you how to edit your digital images.